As new COVID-19 cases continue to remain at a high, the province of Ontario has extended the provincial emergency. Eagle News correspondent Yolanda Asprias has this and other announcements from the province. Yolanda?
Ontario has extended the declared provincial emergency for another 14 days, expiring on February 9, pending review thereafter. Along with this announcement, the government promises to uphold the initiative to vaccinate remote First Nations communities. 760 doses were delivered to Sioux Lookout, 680 to communities across James Bay Coast, and 575 administered to remote fly-in First Nations communities. In Canada, there are more than 630 First Nations communities, and only 196 of which have received the vaccine, approximately 31.1% of First Nations communities in the country. As of January 26, 3,508 active cases and 144 deaths related to COVID-19 in First Nations communities throughout the country are reported to Indigenous Services Canada. Last Friday, the province was alerted that Ontario would receive no deliveries of the Pfizer vaccines this week. Ontario announced Monday an updated vaccination plan for the province in order to adjust to the reductions and delays in the Pfizer vaccine shipments. Premier Ford gives more details on the updated vaccination plan. Take a look.
In response, our officials have worked around the clock, doing the math and crunching numbers. We're accelerating vaccinations from our most vulnerable seniors and those who take care of them. We're running well ahead of schedule. 10 public health regions have finished their first round of vaccinations in their long-term care homes. I've asked General Hillier and the team to complete all long-term care homes and high-risk retirement homes province-wide by February 5th instead of February 15th. I want to be clear. We're using every single vaccine we can to protect our most vulnerable. But delivery delays are now forcing us to be careful and cautious as we plan to ensure we're able to offer second doses. That means reserving second doses and vaccines for frail and vulnerable long-term care home residents who need as much protection as these vaccines can offer by receiving both doses within 21 to 27 days. As soon as there's certainty in deliveries, as soon as we can start receiving regular shipments of vaccines from the federal government, it'll be full steam ahead.
In Ontario, there are currently 27,890 active cases of COVID-19, with 1,670 new cases reported on January 27. This is the lowest number of daily cases reported in the past 2 months. In Toronto, Yolanda Aspiras, Eagle News. We live in interesting times.